want to play it.
Wow.
We've had an attack. So there you see that video made available by the Boston Globe. Dramatic video. You heard the first explosion. Then a few seconds later, you heard a second explosion.